Last night, you closed your eyes and drifted into sleep. But here is something quietly astonishing. The body that woke up this morning shares almost no original material with the body you had 7 years ago. Every cell replaced. Every atom recycled. Science confirms it. So who, exactly, went to sleep last night? And more importantly, who woke up? The Bhagavad Gita whispers an answer across centuries. In chapter 2, verse 20, Krishna tells Arjuna, the soul is never born, nor does it ever die. It is not slain when the body is slain. The ancient sages weren't speaking metaphor, they were pointing at something modern biology accidentally confirms. The body is a river. The water is always changing. Yet the river remains. Buddhism offers a companion teaching through the parable of the flame. Light a candle. Use it to light another. Is the second flame the same as the first? Different yet continuous. The Buddha called this Santana, the stream of consciousness. Not a fixed thing, but a flowing process. You are not a noun. You have always been a verb. Most of us carry our past like a stone in our chest. I am someone who failed. I am someone who was hurt. We tattoo old stories onto an identity that has literally, physically renewed itself. But if your liver cells from 5 years ago no longer exist, why are you still serving their sentence? The Stoics called this prosoke, watchful attention to what we choose to carry forward. Consider the ship of Theseus, every plank replaced, yet we call it the same ship. Psychologists call our version of this the narrative self. We are the stories we keep telling. And here lies both the trap and the freedom. The trap, we repeat old stories unconsciously. The freedom, we can consciously author new ones. Your identity is not discovered. It is chosen, moment by moment. There is a Japanese practice called wabi-sabi, finding beauty in impermanence. A cracked ball repaired with gold becomes more beautiful, not less. Your changes, your losses, your transformations are not damage. They are the gold lines. The person who struggled, who broke, who rebuilt, that continuous thread of awareness witnessing all of it, that is you. Unbroken, even when everything changed. Modern psychology calls it psychological continuity, the sense of self that persists through change. But ancient wisdom goes deeper. It says the witness behind your thoughts, the quiet awareness watching your life unfold, was never made of cells at all. It was never born from biology. That awareness, still, spacious, unchanging, is what the Upanishads call Atman. The eternal observer within the temporary. And here is the turning point. If you are not your cells, not your memories, not even your personality, which science shows changes significantly every decade, then you are not your limitations either. That fear you think defines you. Borrowed. That wound you think is permanent. Temporary. You are the sky. The storms, the clouds, the seasons, they pass through you. They are not you. Today, try this. Sit quietly for just 5 minutes. Place your hand on your heart. Breathe slowly. And ask yourself gently, what story am I still carrying that no longer belongs to this body? You don't need to answer immediately. Just ask. The question itself begins the release. Like a seed cracking open in darkness, the asking is the beginning of becoming. You went to sleep last night as a river, always moving, always renewing, always arriving. The cells change. The seasons change. But the awareness that notices the changing, that has always been here. steady, watching, whole. You are not who you were. You are not yet who you will become. You are the living, breathing space between, and that space is sacred. Subscribe to LifeVeda for daily wisdom that transforms your life.